Assalamualaikum, dear students. Due to this pandemic situation, schools are off again. We are recording lectures for you. Please listen to the lecture carefully, do your homework and submit it on time. यूनिट नंबर 11 सिंपल मशीन एक्सप्लेन किया जा चुका है और इस यूनिट के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 करवाए जा चुके हैं। अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और 6 करेंगे। ओपन योर साइंस जर्नल, मेंशन डेट, यूनिट नंबर 11, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट इज अ लीवर? गिव 5 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ लीवर। आंसर, हेडिंग लीवर. A lever is a simple machine. It consists of a rigid which is free to turn about a called the fulcrum. Examples: number 1, a crowbar, number 2, spade, number 3, knife, number 4, scissor, number 5, bottle opener. Next question number 6. What are the different kinds of lever? Give 3 examples of each. Heading: kinds of lever. Number 1, lever of first order. In a lever of the first order, the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort. Examples: seesaw, a pair of scissors, beam balance. Now student, we are going to draw a diagram in front of question number 6. First we draw shares. Then we draw scissor. Then beam balance. Figure number 11.4, some levers of the first order. Mention heading number 2, levers of second order. In this case, the fulcrum is at one end, the effort is applied at the other end, the load lifted is between the fulcrum and the effort. Examples: wheelbarrows, nutcrackers, bottle opener. Now student, we are going to draw a diagram in front of lever of the second order. Then draw bottle opener. Then draw nutcracker. Figure number 11.5, some levers of the second order. Mention third heading, lever of third order. In this type of lever, the fulcrum is at one end and the effort is applied between the fulcrum and the load. Example, forceps, forearms, spades. Now we draw diagram in front of lever of third order. First we draw spade. Then draw knife. Figure number 11.6, some levers of the third order. Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. complete your homework before next lecture.